To create a new equipment model, click Add. Start by filling out the general information fields. Give your equipment model a name and add any relevant specification details. The branch field is only relevant if you have multiple branches configured within Service Genie. By default, your current branch is selected, but if you remove the branch, the model will be made available to all of your branches. Models can be created with a cost price and a selling price. This is used when purchasing and selling equipment using the Equipment Deal module. Now you can add an equipment make from the drop-down list, or select Add to create a new one. Existing makes can be edited using the action tray, and when adding new, the make field is mandatory, but the description field is optional. Fill out the details as required for the new make. Then add the make from the list. Now select an equipment type from the drop-down list. In the window for selecting equipment type, you can add a new type or edit existing types from the action tray. When adding a new equipment type, first give the type a name. On the left, you can specify the engineer skills. These are the skills or qualifications needed to work on this equipment type. This is helpful for filtering engineers when scheduling jobs. You can select more than one skill, and if you need to add a new skill, this can be done using the plus icon. You can also add a default service sequence from the right-hand side using the plus icon. Please see the video on default service sequences for more detail on how to set these up. Finally, you can add custom fields in the specification section. This allows you to capture any additional data about the equipment type that you need to. The icons to the right allow you to add the fields, and you can add from the existing list of custom fields, or you can create a new one. When creating a new one, give the field a name. Choose the data entry type that you want to capture, and then set if this is a mandatory field or not. Tick the box to make this information available on the job sheet, and then tick here if this is a chargeable item and set the appropriate pricing. You can add any additional options to the field as required, depending on the data type you are collecting. Now click to save your custom field. Specification fields are available on the model and type, so when you add a piece of equipment, the specification will be set with fields from both the model and the type. Now save the equipment type and add it to the model you are creating. Next, add a sales area code if applicable for your equipment sales, and then you can upload any relevant documentation. Documentation is available to engineers in their mobile devices, and any documents uploaded against a model are available against any item which is then set with that model.